Choozle Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Choozle are in the description. Choozle is a self-serve programmatic advertising platform designed for marketers and agencies looking to manage, optimize, and scale their digital campaigns across display, video, mobile, and social channels. It's built for businesses that need an easy-to-use platform for targeting, automation, and data-driven advertising without the complexity of traditional programmatic solutions. One of Choozle's key strengths is its user-friendly interface, which allows users to easily create and manage campaigns, regardless of their programmatic experience. The platform offers robust targeting options, including audience segmentation, contextual targeting, and geo-targeting, enabling marketers to deliver ads to the most relevant consumers based on demographics, behavior, and location. Choozle also provides real-time optimization through its machine learning algorithms, which adjust campaigns dynamically to improve performance and maximize ROI. Additionally, the platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, giving users full transparency into campaign performance and insights into key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and more. One standout feature is Choozle's ability to integrate with first-party data and third-party data providers, allowing users to create more precise audience segments for more effective targeting. The platform's automation capabilities further simplify campaign management, reducing manual intervention and saving time for marketers. Choozle also provides tools for creative testing and optimization, ensuring that the right messages and formats are being delivered to the right audience. Security and compliance are addressed through built-in features that meet industry standards, ensuring that campaigns adhere to GDPR and CCPA regulations. Choozle is ideal for mid-sized businesses and agencies that want a cost-effective, scalable solution for programmatic advertising without relying on a third-party service provider. Pricing is flexible and based on the scale of campaigns, with a demo option available for those looking to try out the platform. Overall, Choozle is a powerful and intuitive platform that empowers marketers to run efficient, data-driven campaigns. If you're looking for a straightforward programmatic advertising solution that offers robust features, transparency, and automation, Choozle is definitely worth considering. Links for more details are in the description.